Hello friends, so today in this video we will create a pneumonia classification telegram board. So let me show you how a telegram board look like. So let me run this Python file. Okay, now go to your web browser and go to your board and just type first command will be start command. Okay, then help command, then about command. Okay, now we can start the classification. Either you can start the classification just after by start or just before the start. It's up to you. Just I just showing you that did response according to the commands. Okay, so let me first select the image of pneumonia. Okay, paste it here. And after sand you can see the classification. It's pneumonia 100%. Let me select one normal image. uh, we select this one. Okay, sanded. See, it's showing 91 accuracy normal about this. Okay, so we will now create a telegram board. For that, let me comment this whole code so that I can explain you one by one that which function is created first and which function is created at last. If suppose I start from first line only, you will get confused. So first thing is that you have to make a telegram board, or you have to generate a token ID. For that, go into search bar, select board father. You will select click on this. After this, just type help command. Okay, you will get this. Go to click on this new board, then select your board name. I'm selecting pneumonia, capital C and LS classification. And I want the username should be same. It's up to you that you have to make the same username or no, but make sure that last three. Click on this, you will generate a token ID. Click on this, means copy this token ID because it's an important thing which connect your Python file with the Telegram bot server. And go to this main. This is the first part. Okay, and just click on here, paste it here. You will make it. Now we have to make the commands: start command, help command, and about command. So let me uncomment this. For connection of your Python file with the Telegram board, we use application library, then a builder function, then token, pass a token in it, and this board will basically connect the Python file with your Telegram board, and this basically app variable act as a reference of your Telegram board. Now for creating a start command, we use app handler in app variable, and in this we use command handler library, not library or a package, you can say, because you know that we have imported some packages, application, command handler, message handler, filter, callback contest. This all we are using. Okay, for making command we use command handler package. Now just if a person type slash start, it will activate this start function, and here start is a function name. Okay, so this will go here, and it will, let me uncomment it. Okay, we are passing two parameters, or we can say we are initializing two parameters, update and callback contest. And you know that you, while seeing the function, you can see that I am just using an update, not a callback contest. But why there is a need to pass this callback contest? Because it is a default structure from the Telegram bot that either you will use callback context or not, but you have to initialize it in a function. Okay, otherwise you during the execution of the code, there will be error. All right. Okay, so that's why we pass update and callback context both in a or we can say initialize in a function, but it's up to you, you can use it or not. But update is useful because you have to reply the message. And let me tell you what is the meaning of this callback context. Callback context, it's a toolbox which have a different tools like that. If I want to store the specific chat from the Telegram bot, I have to use callback context. If I want to add reminder in a Telegram bot, I have to use callback context. But right now I don't want to use these facilities, but due to the default structure of a Telegram bot, I have to initialize it as a parameter in a function. Okay, So for replying the message to the start string, I am using update.message.reply.text. Okay, it will display the text to the to the board if a user types /start. Now for the help command, if a person type /help, it will activate help command. So help command give me the details of all the things that which command is used by the telegram bot. Okay, now we have to make the about command. For about command, just if a person type /about command will get activated, and this about command tell me that tell the details of the models which is trained, means the architecture of the models, what all the layers is present in that particular model. This will about command tell us to the user. Now the main thing is that for handling the photo, we use message handler, because these are the commands start, help, and about, but we have to handle the photo. For that we are using message handler. And filter dot photo means only activate the handle photo only when there is a photo is sended by the user in the telegram bot. Okay, after that it will activate the handle photo. It will activate this. Okay, after activating, we have to, if suppose a group of images passes by the user, it will select one among them, and which have a highest resolution, it will be selected by this line. The image which have a highest resolution will be selected by this line. Okay, after that it will fetch the you can say fetch the file from the server. A photo dot get file will fetch the file from the server. Okay, after that we have to download that image in a bytes format. After downloading the image in the bytes format, we have to convert it into a numpy format. So we are using IAM decode for decoding the image in a bytes format into a numpy format. Okay, now let me explain you. Here is the selection of image. Here the file is fetched from the server. Here is a download of image in a bytes format. Here is the conversion of image from bytes to numpy format. Now again, we convert the image into a pill format and just pass it to a classify image function. Then the compiler will move up and it will come to here. Okay, so after moving to the compiler move here, it will call this classifier function, and here it's passed the image, model, and class name. Class name is this thing. Class name is this thing. And here model is this thing. First we have to create the object of CNN model, and from where the CNN is coming, from CNN import CNN. When CNN is a file, Python file, you can see that this is the architecture of a CNN model. If you want to know this more detail about this model or this is the architecture, you can go to my channel and see pneumonia classification or chest X-ray classification video. You will get better details about that. So this is the architecture of CNN model. First we have to create the architecture or create the object of that. After creating the object of that, we have to load the model, base model among this. Oh, this is a extra, let me delete it. We are using best model among this. Okay, after that I am using map location device.cpu, because it's suppose you will use GPU, don't, there is no need of using this line, but right now I'm not using GPU, I'm using CPU. So that's why I have to look map the location. Map location is stored device.cpu. After that I will pass map model and class name both. Then after this, the compiler will went to the classifier function. So where is the classifier function? You can see that from classifier import classifier. So model will went to this. Let me uncomment this part because I will explain you afterward. So here the mod compiler will come to the classifier. Okay, then it will move to this. We have category parameters, image, model, and class name. After that, we are using pre-processing image. It will move to this function. Pre-processing means all the things which is pre-processed on the image has to be there. That resizing of image to 224. The image should be in a grayscale format, tensor, and normalization. After applying this transformation, we unsqueeze it, because during testing time we pass the image in a batches, not in the exact CSW format. We pass the image into during testing time. We not testing, during training time we pass the images into in the format of BCHW format, means batch, channel, height and width. Okay, the same we during testing time, during prediction time, we have to pass the image in the same dimension only. For that, we using unsqueeze because it's add one dimension, batch dimension in the to the image. After that, we get the model also. Now here the model evaluation, that no updation is performed on the image, just pass the image, pre-processed image. Then you will get the output, and from output we get the predicted class index, because means the index on which the highest probability is there, or we can say highest score is there. We want that that index, so we use touch argument max output dimension 0 dot item. It will give me the index value on which the highest score is there, and after using this index value we will get the class name, or we will second label. After that we have to get the score. For that, for getting the score from torch down, output 0 predict, means here prediction is a index value, and 0 basically give me the index value, give me the prediction of image. Okay, so in that, and just using this prediction, we will I get the highest score value. This give me high score value. I will multiply it into 100 because these value is in a float, and it's start from 0.91, 0.28, 0.58 this way. So I have to multiply with 100. After multiplying it with 100, I want to round it to two values, and then after I want it in int format, and just send it or return it to labels and score. After returning it, let me save it here, all things. After returning the labels and score, and you can go up, the compiler get the labels and score, it will return class name and score here. After returning the, it will come to here label and score. Then I want just to upload the photo with label and score. For that I want to reset the pointer, and after that resetting the pointer, I just want to pass the image. Till here we are passing the text, but now we have to pass a photo. For that I have used prepared photo image bytes, caption, the what you want to write below the image. For that we use caption, original image, labels and confidence. Okay, so this way our Telegram bot is created. So let me save this and run this part. Go to the web browser, click on this link, it will start your bot. Start. Okay, show me this thing, then the help command, then about command. Then I want to know the classification, so let me first select one image uh, with the normal one. Okay, this is the chest x-ray with normal 53% accuracy. Now let me select one image with the pneumonia. Let me select this one, open it and send it. Pneumonia 99% accuracy. So you can see that our Telegram bot is ready. You can now use this bot to create more Telegram bot according to the weight file which you have. Now let me explain you what is the use of this async and await here. One more line. That's this run polling. What is the use of this run polling? If suppose if I will not use it, if compilation of this Python file get completed. Let me show you. Let me run this file after commenting this line. Okay, say this. Okay, you can wait for the seconds. This compilation completed without without any loop. See, compilation of this Python file completed, means it will not respond to your start command, about command and help command. Okay, so to make the respond of the command which is sent by the user on a Telegram bot, you have to use this app.run polling. Okay, so when I will make it uncommented and save the file and then again run it, you can see that it will respond me now. It will not directly complete the compilation. See the result. Let me start here. Okay, it will display the message. See, okay, so you can see that start pulling is just one thing, just one line, but you have a main reason, or you can say important line, that to respond to the commands which is sent by the user, we have to use run pulling. Now, use of this await and async. So here update message dot reply, if it is a, you can note that it is the message will first pass to the server, then to serve from server to the telegram bot. If suppose I will not use await here, and this command start sorry, help command is passed, help message is passed to the server, and server does not able to pass that message to the telegram bot. If I will not use async and await at this time, during this time, if I will use I will write slash about command, so the model, the board will not respond me, because it's already stuck in this particular line, update dot message dot reply text, help text, which is by because the server is not responding. But if I will write await here, and I will write await and async use here means await. Then await will tell the compiler that go if a user type slash about command, you can respond to that, because this at this time server is not responding. So after the server get from the server, when I will get the server response from the server, I will send this message to the telegram bot. Okay, so here all the things is working in a synchronized way. Let me show you one example here. Suppose here await that get file. I will tell you that here we are fetch the file from the server. If suppose I will not use await here, okay. If I will not use await here, and it's all working in a synchronized way, then if a server does not responding or giving the file, not we are not able to fetch the file from the server, so compiler gets stuck at this line, particular line, if I will not use await. And during this time I will type slash start slash f, it will not respond me. But after using this await, if I await here, it will tell the compiler that uh, until I get response from the server, you can respond to the slash start slash about slash help command if a user type it. Okay, and when I get the response from the server, I will fetch the file from the server and downloaded it. So this way the whole model will work in our board, this code work in asynchronized way, not in a synchronized way. So I have explained you each and every line here, use of everything in detailed way. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please like, it's motivate me to make more videos like this. Okay, just like and share and subscribe.